In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to use the CCS order lookup tool. This is a completely free tool by StudyCCS, and the whole idea is how do you actually get insight into what the order menu looks like whenever you're doing USMLE Step 3. Just for some background, my name is Harsh Mulani. I'm an NYU resident. My goal is to make studying for Step 3 as seamless as possible, and so I think one of the best ways to actually do that is by practicing what it looks like to put in orders. And everyone's already gone through this when they're at a new clinical site or they're using a new EMR and they know exactly what they want. They want to order the anti-10A while they're the patient's on a heparin drip, but you just don't know how. And this is a similar situation where you actually have to know what you want to order, and getting that practice for free is a great way to do it. So one of the easiest things that you can always do is CBC, CMP, and it'll show up kind of how it will on test day. But things like a chest x-ray has more options. And so just being aware of kind of what you want, typically a portable or a PA lateral will get the job done. EKG is another one where knowing exactly what shows up whenever you do EKG versus stress test versus a 12 lead, it's very helpful to see it. I think the places where this is actually most helpful is you're doing a patient for a rheumatologic workup, and you don't remember the antibodies that you want to do. But if you type in antibody, then you'll see all of the various antibodies that you can pull up on test day. And this is very helpful because now you actually have an idea of, even if you don't remember what antibodies you want to do, you can order it. Similarly, if you're doing something like a patient with a stroke and you just don't know what you have to do, you type in the condition like stroke and it'll pull up things that are actually very helpful. Similarly, one place I like to use this is for advise or instruct. So the case is over, you have 2 minutes left to just put in all the other orders. Advise is a great one because oftentimes they'll be advising about exercise or smoking cessation or things of that nature. And so being able to use this tool adequately gets a lot of, it helps you really push through the case and just maximize your points. If you want to actually do full practice cases, just check them out at StudyCCS. But if you just want to look at the orders, this is a great tool to use.